Hello, Assalamu alaikum, dear scholars. How are you? I am back with you in this third session. That is about steps of appraisal process. As earlier, I discussed that the steps involved in the appraisal process are pre-observation interview, then is observation, and finally review. First of all, rating scale. इसके डिफरेंट लेवल रखे गए होंगे। जिस तरह आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, फॉर अनसेटिस्फैक्ट्री इट इज 1 to 1.4, एरिया ऑफ कंसर्न में 1.5 से 2.4 तक, मीट एक्सपेक्टेशंस में 2.5 से 3.4 तक, एक्सीड एक्सपेक्टेशंस में 3.5 से 4 तक। ठीक है, तो अनसेटिस्फैक्ट्री में परफॉर्मेंस क्लियरली नॉट मीटिंग पोजीशन रिक्वायरमेंट्स एंड is therefore unacceptable. Whereas in area of concern, the performance is at minimal acceptable level and must improve. यहाँ improvement recommend की जाती है। Next one is meet expectations. That is the performance consistent in meeting all expectations. And exceed expectation का मतलब है कि performance is above average and exceeding the requirements of the job on par with the best. So these are the 4 level, 4 points, 1 to 4. The measuring performance में first component है observation of teaching skills. Planning for student learning, teaching for student learning, classroom environment for student learning. thoroughly classroom के अंदर जो एक्टिविटीज ऑनगोइंग हैं, जो प्रोसेस चल रहा है, टीचर और स्टूडेंट का कंसर्न है, एनवायरनमेंट से, लर्निंग आउटकम से, प्लानिंग से, ये सारा कुछ इसमें देखा जाता है। वेयर एज इन टीचिंग, टीचर प्रोफेशनलिज्म में उसके जो प्रोफेशनल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं, कितनी उसकी प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट है, उसकी इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स कैसी हैं, लीडरशिप एंड मैनेजमेंट में उसकी मिडिल मैनेजर, ज़ाहिर है मिडिल मैनेजर वो काम कर रहा है, तो वो देखा जाता है। एंड सप्लीमेंटल कमेंट्स, अप्रेजर एंड अप्रेजी, जो अप्रेजल कर रहा है और जो जिसकी हो रही है, उनके कोई कमेंट्स हों तो वो भी कंसिडर किए जाते हैं। How is teacher performance appraisal done? Pre-observation mean selection of appraisal team, primary level पे principal, senior teacher और independent person. हाई लेवल पे ओल्ड अप्रोच है कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन टीम होगी, HOD होगा, इंडिपेंडेंट पर्सन होगा। न्यू अप्रोच के अकॉर्डिंग टीम लीडर होता है, जो HOD होता है, ग्रेड कोऑर्डिनेटर है और इंडिपेंडेंट पर्सन। Pre-observation interview, establish the purpose of discussion. हम यहाँ क्यों किस बात पर डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं, टाइम कितना लगेगा, कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स कवर होंगे, बोलने का डिस्कशन का तरीकाकार क्या होगा, कौन नोट्स लेगा, कौन कंडक्ट करेगा और क्लोज कैसे करेगा. Review the employee's overall job requirement and responsibilities. Review the performance objectives and goals established during last performance meeting with the employee. Discuss guiding principles that will be observed. How observation is conducted. Team is to visit the appraisee together. Examine closely the activities taking place with keen attention to student engagement and quality of discussion. Instruction. Demonstration must be maintained. Feedback is to be immediate, as best as possible, done on the same day. डिले करने में माइंड बदल जाता है, टाइम का इम्पैक्ट होता है, सिफारिश आ सकती है, अपने ज़हन में कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हो सकती हैं जो बायसनेस पैदा कर सकती हैं. कम्युनिकेशन इज नॉट टू बी क्लियर, टैक्टफुल होनी चाहिए. Identify the objectives, goals that were achieved and discuss how they are impacted the employee's skills and performance. Discuss objectives, goals that need further work. What obstacles have prevented the employee from achieving the objective? Decide if time frames set for reaching the objective need to be adjusted. Appraisee and appraiser are to sign and date the review feedback form. Evidence of teacher's portfolio is to be noted. File is to be maintained for each teacher. Final interview is to be scheduled with all members of the team along with appraisee. Similar to the pre-observation interview, this should be a formal activity. Parties involved will discuss ratings and instrument filled in and signed. Use the supplemental section to capture additional information, likewise recommendations for improvements. Appeals. Should the teacher disagree with performance appraisal, he should note same on appraisal form and discuss with grade, coordinator, HOD, principal, etc. When those channels are exhausted, teacher should send an official appeal to the board. All appeals should be in writing. Appeals committee, chairman, evaluation officer, or teacher might be the member of the appeal committee. Review facts and make ruling. No member of appeals committee should have sat on the appraisal team. Problems with the performance appraisal. The halo effect is the first problem. Pitchfork effect or recency effect, stereotyping, comparing with others, mirroring. Managers and supervisors want to avoid being the bad guy. So, due to this notion, they all want to make to help and have some soft corner towards the appraisal. So, obstacle to effective performance appraisal, number one, lack of support from manager management, resistance on the part of evaluator because performance appraisal demands too much of supervisors effect in terms of time, paperwork, and periodic observation of subordinates' performance. Supervisors do not fully understand the purposes and procedures of the performance appraisal. Supervisors lack skills in appraisal techniques. Performance appraisal is not perceived as being productive. Evaluator biases and rating errors, lack of clear objective standards of performance, failure to communicate purpose, and lack of suitable appraisal tool, failure to police the appraisal procedure effectively. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.